Hello! Today, we're here to introduce you to how to use the Bujo Tracker to record your emotions and feelings each day. You can either use numbers from 1 to 10 to indicate your mood or use colors to differentiate your feelings. Using colors and filling in the tracker can also help you relax and serve as a form of therapy. Here's how it works. During the day or before bed, take a moment to reflect on how you felt throughout the day. For example, if you felt sad, you might log it as a 5. In the email we sent you, there's an audio file designed to help with specific moods. If you listen to the audio, mark the headphone icon on your tracker and note if your mood changes positively. If your mood improves significantly, you can fill in the circle completely to show the positive shift. Over time, check whether listening to the audio consistently improves your mood over the following days. Many of my friends and I experienced significant mood improvements after listening to the audio. We felt more positive, energized, and productive. Even our relationships with those around us improved. Now, listening to this audio has become a regular part of my daily routine. Whether it's while working, waking up, eating, or putting on makeup, it's something I can't live without. I hope you'll enjoy it as much as I do. Smiling face with smiling eyes.